This 2023 Forest River Wildwood X-Lite 263BHXL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Forest River is 31 feet 9 inches in length and features one slideout, a Capri interior, sleeps 10, oven, TV antenna, spare tire kit, LP detector, auxiliary battery, skylight, air conditioning, CO detector, smoke detector, microwave, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Wildwood X-Lite 263BHXL is 5,854 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.